very soft. You see, you have to take the middle part out, the harder part from the middle. We call it the jackfruit, tender jackfruit curry preparations, everything. So we have curry leaves, rampa, we have chili, green chili, onion, and then we have garlic, we have ginger and garlic. And as dry spices, we have cinnamon, we have cloves ready, chili powder, then we have the black curry powder, and we have pepper grinded, and then we have the gazania, that is the gazania paste, we call it goraka. So let's see what's Deepani do next. Okay, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and lastly the cloves. Okay. Now, so grinding and chopping is different. This has a great flavor and has a juicy flavor for the curry. We'll keep the curry pot in the oven. So curry powder is put, and a little bit of water. Everything is secret is now you don't stir it by a spoon. you just take the pot out and shake it, swirl it, so swing it. That's another secret to keep the curry really going. Our housewife will always do the traditional way of checking the amount of salt and spiciness. The traditional way of doing it is palm licking. Here comes the secret recipe now, the traditional jack curry. Now Deepani is going to pour the thick milk into the jack curry. So this will be the last procedure, and she used a little bit of turmeric. So this is where the secret lies in the recipe.